Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find your Discord email on PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Discord app open on your computer. You should see your chat interface and be ready to follow along. Now, head over to the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a section with your username. This is where all the magic begins. Click on the gear icon next to your username. This icon represents the user settings, and it's the gateway to managing your account. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to a new screen. On the left side, you'll find the User Settings menu. If it's not already selected, look for the option labeled My Account and click on it. This area contains all the vital information about your account, including your email. Once you're on the My Account screen, look at the center section. You should see your email address listed there. To reveal your email, simply click the Reveal button, which is located to the right of the email address. After clicking it, your email will be displayed for you to see. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Discord email. This process is straightforward and should only take a few moments of your time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on Discord and other apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.